Okay, we just read a book in reading this morning in our literacy about a girl with a very long name, Chrysanthemum. Today in math, we're going to use a math word called count. Count. So you're going to count in math today. And when we do this lesson, I can count the letters in my name. I can count objects. So it says I can count objects. I can write numerals.
What are numerals?
Numerals are what you write to represent a quantity. So if I ask you to write if I show you 5 of something, I would ask you to write the numeral 5. The number is how many objects you have. The numeral is that thing that represents that. So we read the book Chrysanthemum. Does anyone remember how many letters she had in her name? Oh, I love the way you raised your hand. Go ahead.
13.
13. Well, in math, I really want to be sure, so I want to always check my work. So I'm going to write the name Chrysanthemum up here. And I'm going to have you count with me. This is called checking, going back and checking to see if the answer is correct, if what they told me is correct. Count with me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
So they were correct. I'm going to write that numeral here. This is the numeral 13. I'm also going to show that numeral with an object, with cubes. I'm going to make a cube train of 13 cubes. Help me make sure I do it right. Count.
1, 2, 3,
4.
On the back. Oh, there you go.
6,
Hold on. What are we up to?
6.
7, 8.
Now I have 8. No, that's 8. Oh, we better double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 13. So there is a cube train of 13 letters, 13 cubes to show the 13 letters in her name. So today, during your work time, you're going to do that with your name. Then, you're going to take a cup that you have that has a dot die in it, and you're going to get to use that. We're not opening our desk yet. We're going to do this one step at a time. So the first thing you're going to do when I tell you to, you're going to get out your bag of cubes, not yet, and
Be good listeners.
your cup with the dot die. And you're not going to open the cup. You're going to use this as a shaker and turn it upside down and look at the number in there. So first you're going to need your bag of cubes and your dot die. Put those on your desk. Don't do anything with them yet, just put them on your desk.
What are our 2 things? What are our 2 things we're getting? Joey, what's one thing we're getting from our desk? Joey, we're getting the dot die. What?
I'm not using them. I don't use them.
Oh, sorry.
Bag of cubes and a dot die.
And
Excellent.
what else are we getting?
Okay, very good. And desk is closed. Hands are in your lap so that you are ready to listen. We'll get it for you. I bet it came undone in your desk. It's okay, we'll take care of it. Or we'll find you one. Then, you're gonna need a place to write and something to write with. You're gonna need one dry erase marker. Where are those dry erase markers? In the box in your desk. Get one dry erase marker. One dry erase marker.
I need to get one out.
Okay, got that? Got it?
Got it.
Okay.
Get one dry erase.
No, I haven't told you to get that yet. You're thinking ahead. I'm looking at your desk. Elizabeth is ready. You're ready. Ready, ready. Ready?
This is Meyer.
Ready? Everybody ready?
I'm ready.
Now, what are you going to write on with that dry erase marker? In your chair pocket, you have a board and you have a clean sock that you will use as an eraser. Turn around and get your board and your sock. The sock looks dirty, but it is not. I have washed them in hot water. That is going to be your eraser. It even has your number on it, so if you drop it on the floor, you'll know whose it is.
Whiteboard and your eraser.
I'm checking to see. Ready, ready, ready. Ready, ready. Everybody ready? Now, the first thing I want you to do is write your name on the board. Write your name on the board. Just like I wrote chrysanthemum, write your name on that board. The next thing I want you to do is count the letters in your name and write the number on the board. Write the number, the numeral, count, find out how many is the number, write the numeral. The numeral is what you put to show the number. Now make a cube train to show the number of letters in your name. So you have your name, you have a numeral, and you have a cube train. You have your name,
I had to erase my name once.
you have your name, a numeral, and a cube train. Name, numeral, cube train. The numeral is what you write to show the number. This is what you write to show the number. Chrysanthemum has 13, so I made a cube train of 13. Everybody got it? I'm looking around. Then the next step, and this you can do several times.
I'm gonna make a
Now
pattern
you
like
have-
9.
Now you have this. We don't open it. Remember, this is not to open. It's not a holder for your die. It is a shaker. You shake it, turn it over and put the top down, and look at the number of dots on the die. What is the number of dots on your die? Write that number on your board. I rolled a 5. Write that number on your board.
A 5.
Whatever you rolled. What did you roll? If you rolled a 1, you write a 1 on your board. If you rolled a 3, okay, you're ready to put it down and get your number. Write the numeral for that number of dots. Show it with a cube train. So if I rolled a 1,
I just turned. It was 6.
turn it over and do it, and then you're going to do it again and again and again. So do it for about, we'll do that for about 10 minutes until it's time to get ready for lunch.
What do we do with these ones?
You can take them apart because you can use those same cubes again.
Can we just write them on our
I
wall,
got the
whatever
same
we
number.
want?
Yes,
I got the same number that our name was.
you did.